Now everybody is waiting for all the ladies, all the people in this area, in this divine celebration, the marriage of our sweetest daughter, Divya Tirsal, with Pandit Vidyut Langar. Pandit we say because he's a Kashmiri Pandit, so it is the title of the people and the title of the Kashmiri Pandits that we call them. So the people are waiting, they're waiting very impatiently, you can just see that. Okay. So they're waiting.